Ever pondered the journey your bodybuilding protein takes before it lands in your gym bag? Unraveling this mystery is a fascinating tale of science and nature, working in harmony to fuel your workouts. So buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the making of bodybuilding protein. Our story begins in the rolling fields of sun-kissed crops, where the primary ingredients for your protein are grown. These might be soy, peas, or dairy, depending on the type of protein you prefer. Once harvested, these crops are transported to a processing facility. At the processing facility, the crops undergo a thorough cleaning to remove any dirt, stones, and other unwanted materials. The clean crops are then ground into a fine powder. This powder is the raw material for your protein powder. Next, the powder undergoes a process called defatting. This involves removing the fat content to ensure the protein is lean. In the case of dairy-based proteins, the milk is first separated into curds and whey. The whey, rich in protein, is then dried and ground into a fine powder. The next step is dehulling, where the outer shell of the crop is removed. This is crucial as the shell can interfere with the absorption of the protein in your body. Following dehulling, the protein is isolated. This is carried out through a process called ion exchange or microfiltration, depending on the type of protein. Essentially, this process separates the protein from the other components, such as carbohydrates and fibers. The isolated protein then heads to the concentration stage. Here, any remaining moisture is removed, resulting in a concentrated protein powder. This powder is then carefully tested for quality and purity. Finally, the concentrated protein powder is flavored and packaged. Flavoring is an art in itself, with companies spending countless hours perfecting tasty yet healthy flavors. Once flavored, the protein powder is packaged into tubs, ready to be shipped to stores and eventually to your gym bag. To sum it all up, the production of bodybuilding protein involves several intricate steps: harvesting the crops, cleaning and grinding them into a powder, defatting, dehulling, isolating the protein, concentrating it, and finally, flavoring and packaging. Each step is meticulously carried out to ensure the protein you consume is pure, effective, and delicious. So the next time you scoop some protein into your shaker, remember the journey it's been on. It's not just a supplement, it's a product of nature and science designed to help you reach your fitness goals.